Welcome to multiplication and division of integers. Multiplication and division of integers follows the same rule. That is, same signs give you a positive product as well as a positive quotient. Different signs, negative product, negative quotient. That is, positive times or divided by positive is equal to positive. Same sign, positive result. Negative times or divided by negative is equal to positive. Same sign, multiply or divide, positive result. Different signs, positive multiply or divide by negative is equal to negative. Different signs, negative result. Negative multiply or divide by positive is equal to negative. Different signs, negative result. So let's practice. Negative 8 times negative 5. 8 times 5, 40. Negative times negative gives you a positive result. So this is positive 40. 4 times negative 9. 4 times 9, 36. Positive times negative is equal to negative. So this is a negative 36. Division. Negative 49 divided by negative 7. 49 divided by 7 is 7. Negative divided by negative is positive. So this is a positive 7. Negative 32 divided by 8. 32 divided by 8 is 4. Negative divided by positive is equal to negative. So this is a negative 4. And I hope you find this very brief review on multiplication and division of integers very interesting or very helpful. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.